will create chatbot in less than 10 minutes. So let's get started. As we know, chatbot comes with multiple benefits. So if we'll go to HDFC Bank site, you can see here Ask Eva. It gives you many useful tips, hints. You can do multiple queries with her and it will try to respond with whatever it can. Okay, so you don't need to visit customer support. Okay, now similarly many other sites you can see they are following this. If I'll open one of the popular site for booking the train tickets, it also has the chatbot. Okay, we call it Disha. Ask Disha. So similarly, if you have any requirement to integrate a chatbot in your application, you can do that, and I'll show you how you can do that in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so that will be the basic of the chatbot. It will not have the full-fledged, which will not cover all the use cases. Okay, so to do that, I'll use Google Dialogflow. So let's see what is Google Dialogflow. Okay, so Google Dialogflow I'll use to create the chatbot application. Dialogflow helps you. It comes with integrated machine learning and AI with it. It comes with integrated natural language processing, which means you don't need to write code for AI or machine learning or for any natural language processing. Okay, so first step is to create the agent. Okay, so let me try to go create a new agent. Okay, if you to do this, first of all you need to have the Google account. Okay, Google, if you don't have the Google account, then it will ask you to create one. Okay, so you must have a Google account. Now I'll give the agent name. Agent name is, as I told you, the name by which it will come, like Ask Eva on the bottom right, you can see. Okay, or you can see here on IRCTC website, Ask Disha. Okay, this is another chatbot. So what will be the name of the chatbot? That is the agent name. Okay, so in our case, I'll give the chatbot name Software Circle. Okay, this is our YouTube channel name. That's why I'm giving this name. Okay, and if there is some issue, it will prompt here. Right now it is working. Just note on the time. We have spent around 2 minutes till now by creating this. It is work in progress. On the left hand side you can see multiple options are there, how to create intents and then integrations, how you can do. Okay, now the most important thing is for a chatbot is to understand the intent of the user, what user is asking about. Okay, there are some inbuilt response. I'll delete all that. Okay, first of all I'll ask, like if I'm creating a chatbot for Facebook, so I'll first the user can ask like how to use Facebook. What is Facebook? Or user can ask how to log into Facebook. Okay, user can ask these basic questions if he is coming for the first time. And what should be the response from the bot if user asks this? So bot can respond like Facebook is a social site that come from your browser and create okay. So this response will be added, can be given by the chatbot. Okay. Now, for these all questions, what is Facebook? How to use Facebook? How do I integrate it? So first of all, let me save this, and let's go to integration part. Okay. So you can integrate it using multiple ways. Either you can use the APIs, or you can use the API will help you to integrate it from the backend. You can integrate it in the Slack or Telegram or Line, or you can integrate it in any of the web applications. In the web applications, it comes in two forms, like Dialogflow, Messenger. I'll just enable it. Okay, so it gives a code snippet that you need to integrate to your website. Okay, see how it will look on the, let's say, hi, what is Facebook? See how it responded. Facebook is social network site. Now if you need to integrate it, you can just copy paste this in your web code. Let me show you that as well. I'll do this in the online HTML editor. Okay, let me show you one of them. Or let me see which editor will work well for me. So I'm trying Numerous HTML editor. Let me see. Okay, so I'll put it inside header section. You can see the chatbot appears here. And if I'll ask question here, it will try to respond. So Google Dialogflow is hosted on cloud. You can just use it. The best thing is you don't need to host it. You don't need to spend any money. You don't need to write multiple code for AI, machine learning, or to understand the NLC, natural language processing. And it is hosted free of cost. You just need to train the chatbot. That is the one thing that I trained with one of the questions. You need to train it with multiple questions so that you can use it full-fledged in your app. Okay. I hope this gets completed in less than 10 minutes. And if you have any issue, please write in the comment box. If my audio is not clear, do write in the comment box as well. We'll try to improve the presentation and everything. Thank you so much.